Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 3rd of May, 2024. In yet another volatile session, the Indian markets failed to hold on to opening gains and ended lower with Nifty below 22,500 amid selling in heavyweights and stocks across sectors, barring metal. At close, the Sensex was down 732.96 points or 0.98% at 73,878.15, and the Nifty was down 172.35 points or 0.76% at 22,475.80. Biggest Nifty losers were L&T, Maruti Suzuki, Reliance Industries, Nestle India and Bharti Airtel, while gainers included Coal India, Grazim Industries, ONGC, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories and Hindalco Industries. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Rain Brake Linings, an auto component manufacturer for the transportation industry, surged 20% on May 3rd after investors cheered the company's resilient fourth quarter results. The company's Q4 net profit came in at 15.4 rupees crore, marking a 28% increase from 12 rupees crore it reported in the same quarter of the previous fiscal, Rain Brake said in a regulatory filing on May 3rd. The disc pads and clutch facing makers' revenue from operations was 186.7 rupees crore for Q4 financial year 2024 compared to 165.8 rupees crore clocked in the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal. Shares of Hindustan Zinc Limited extended its winning streak for the seventh straight session as shares gained over 8% on May 3rd, just ahead of its expected dividend announcement. The stock hit a fresh 52-week high of 464 rupees and at 10:30 a.m., the stock was trading at 456 rupees on the BSE, up 6% from its previous close. So far this 2024, it has gained nearly 44%. Earlier, the company said in a notice to exchanges that it will announce dividends on May 7th, with a record date fixed on May 15th. In financial year 2024 so far, it has declared 7 rupees per share in July 2023 and 6 rupees per share in December 2023, totaling around 5,493 rupees crore. In financial year 2023, it announced a final dividend of 75.5 rupees per share, totaling 31,901 rupees crore, compared to 18 rupees per share in financial year 2022, totaling 7,606 rupees crore. Shares of Max Estates Limited jumped as much as 8% on the 3rd of May to hit a new 52-week high of 374.90 rupees on the NSE, after the company signed an agreement for development of a Rs 9,000 crore residential development project in Gurugram. Max Estates' share price has gained 36% in the last 6 months, outperforming Nifty 50 which has risen 18% during the same period. The real estate arm of the Max Group signed binding agreements for the development of a group housing residential property on 18.23 acres of land, with around 4 million square feet of development area, said the company in an exchange filing. COFORGE share price shed nearly 10% on May 3rd after brokerage firms downgraded the stock on the company posting subdued numbers in the quarter ended March 2024. The IT services company recorded a consolidated net profit of 229.2 rupees crore for the March financial year 2024 quarter, falling 5.6% compared to the previous quarter. However, revenue from operations grew by 1.5% sequentially to 2,358.5 rupees crore for the quarter. Innovana Think Labs Limited in daily time frame is trading around 667.20 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 114.2 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average, 555.14, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.43. Thai Casting Limited in daily time frame is trading around 245.70 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 964,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average, 190.17, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.38. Rain Break Linings Limited in daily time frame is trading around 1021.41 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.689 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 866.26, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 86.57. For the stock recommendation we have, Prestige Estates Projects Limited looks good and can be bought at 1,462 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 1,423 rupees and a target of 1,512 rupees.
Via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.